Hello everybody. This video is going to be on recurring decimals, and it's going to be about finding the decimal expansion of 1/19, 1 over 19. So if you have a unit fraction and it denominator ends in 9, we know the last digit is going to be 1. And I'm not going to go into the entire theory of what's really going on, but more or less you could think of it like this. I'm essentially dividing by 20, and that's very close to dividing by 2 because that just involves shifting the decimal. And I could think of the numerator as 1 or times 10, 10, 20, 10, 100, 1,000, and then I could just shift the decimal. So if we go left to right, we're going to continually divide by 2. And if we go right to left, we're going to continually multiply by 2. So we start with a 1, then we get 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Now, if we have 2 digits, we cannot write both of them here. So we have to write it as 16 like this. Okay, and this represents the carry digit. So all we're going to say is 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So again, we have to write it like this. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So this actually represents the halfway point. And there's actually another shortcut we could take, but I'm just going to continue on with this method. Maybe in a different video, I can use the complements method to easily get the answer, okay? Great, so 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so it turns out we're actually done right there. How do we know? Well, one way is because it's really close to 1/20th, which is 0.05, and it has to be slightly more because the denominator is less. Okay, so there we have it. We can put a big bar over it because it's going to repeat. Okay, so whoops, that's how it works. Okay, you can easily get the I don't want that. Easily get a recurring decimal. And maybe next video I'll go right to left to right. There you have it. Okay, good job. Keep practicing, and you'll get better and better and better, okay? Just so you know, we don't include these digits. Our answer is 0.052631578947368421, okay? Good job.